Hi friends. I'm not sure where the recording stopped. So if I'm able to edit this, it'll catch up wherever it had stopped. And if I'm not able to edit this, then you're seeing it from the first pass. So hopefully I'm able to edit this. I never edit my videos, so this will be a learning experience. Anyway, we're taking it off here of the drum carder, and this is the first pass. So it's only gone through once, and it looks really nice. I definitely want to go through it again and do another pass, but it's looking really good so far. I think I'll still do 3 passes, but it's looking really good. So I'm looking for any little crunchy bits that might have gotten stuck in there that I missed when it was going on. And yeah, it's looking really good. Really, really good. But yeah, really weird. It's just stopped recording, and of course I'm not staring at my camera as much as I normally do because I'm not looking at you guys. I'm looking at the drum carder. So I didn't see when it stopped. So hopefully you guys got to see some of that. I know it's a long process, so hopefully at least got to see some of it and got to see, and you'll get to hopefully see the Cashgora and the Romney separated. If I'm not able to edit this, this is what it was. It is a coated Romney from Nighthawk Ranch, British Columbia, and 5% Cashgora. And again, this is that Great Guts Adventure by MellyKnits. But hopefully you got to see the beginning. Okay, and we're going to divide this into quarters again for the usual. And then I just open it up, like thin it out widthwise here. And then I'm gonna feed it back on. Again, I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Just go a little bit faster than the initial pass. And try to aim about 1/2 inch in and over. That way it'll get blended nicely. Got another little bit of bison here. I had bison in a different bat that I made for MellyKnits, so some of it's still on there on the liquor in, and it's getting grabbed into here a little bit. Few little bits here and grab, but it's a beautiful fleece, not a lot of issue at all. The Cashgora looks so much like the Romney. They really balance each other, or complement each other nicely. I think this might be some of the Angora from yesterday. Hilarious. See how nicely this is going back onto the carder here. It's beautiful. I don't know if I'll have to do a 3rd pass. I might, but I also might not have to. The coloring is going to be really nicely blended. Because again, that Cashgora is so similar to this Romney fleece. You can see a little of the Cashgora here. There's some. See how it's very similar. Shine is like there's so much shine in that Cashgora. Tiniest bit of veggie matter in here. Tiniest bit. There's like basically no veggie matter present. This fleece is coated, so I should say it was coated fleece. Yeah, I really hope that I'm able to edit this video. I have no idea how to do it. And I only have a day to figure it out, so that'll be interesting. If I don't, you know, oh well, I tried. I had my best intentions. Actually, to be fair, if I cannot edit this, if you check out MellyKnits Instagram, you'll be able to see people sharing, and a lot of people were taking photos of the fiber before it was blended, so then you can at least see what it looks like before it was blended. But I just went ahead and showed you at the very beginning of the video. But, you know, I can't account for batteries just dying randomly, even though they were fully charged. Really bizarre. Okay, so we're going to get this here. All right, and take it off again, and we'll see what it looks like. This looks really, really good. Fold my sleeve over here because it's so nice and long. I just grabbed onto the teeth here. Oh wow, looks really nice. Really nice. Oh, I don't have to. Well, might do a third pass. Let's see. So that is after 2 passes. That is really nicely blended. And I don't know if I need a third pass. All right, we're going to do a third pass. We're going to do a third pass. It's not bad. It's pretty darn blended, but I do want just a touch more blending going on. So I am going to do it one more time. But this is getting really nicely blended now. I probably didn't necessarily need to do another pass, but I just really want to. So we're going to turn that up again, seeing similar to speed to how it was, like cruising along. And again, a little touch of bison in there, I think. Bison's just holding on. Trying to get in every fleece, apparently. I feel pretty confident to say, though, after this pass, it's going to be done, because this looks really, really good. That Cashgora blended so nicely. Like I said, I don't even really necessarily feel like I have to do this third pass, but I just kind of want to. There's just a touch more I want to blend it in. But compared to the bison, oh my goodness, the bison, I felt like I had to constantly blend it, and then I was questioning whether I thought it was blended well enough. Even after I think we did 5 passes with the bison. I don't know, 4 or 5 passes. It might have been, I think it was 5. Pretty sure it was 5 passes. It was a lot compared to my usual. I don't usually have to do that many passes on a fleece. This is just lovely. I'm loving it. bit of compacting going on, but as it goes onto this drum cart, it really pulls it into the drum carter when you're doing multiple passes. Right. Second to last section here. Oh, there's a little bit of a Cashgora. It's lovely. Okay, and last one here. Looking good. So pretty. I'm really excited to spin this one. I'm excited to spin all of them, but I'm excited to spin this one. This color is just beautiful. I think it's going to be super shiny and glossy and absolutely stunning. There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that fluff. This is nice. So as I've mentioned in other videos, the way that I feel like it's blended nicely is when you go like this and you lift up, it just like comes right off. It's like it says, I'm done. Take me off. I've noticed this with so many different types of fleeces. It's not just this one. It's just so many. And it's really interesting how that happens. Now, almost done. What's this? Beauty here. Okay. So there she is. After 3 passes, hopefully you can see the beautiful luster in that. Oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. And the color is stunning and it's nicely combined. Everything looks very cohesive. Really excited to spin this and it's going to be beautiful. So I hope you guys join me for the next episode, which will be day 6 of the Great Guts Adventure. And I hope you are enjoying your spinning or making of any kind. And have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care.